Watch this video till the end if you want to know how to become a Stake affiliate. Firstly, open Stake in your browser and log into your Stake account. If you don't have a Stake account, just drop account in the comments section and I'll make a separate video on it. Then click on the small person logo on the top right corner. And then click on the affiliate option given here. After opening the affiliate option by clicking on commission, you can check your commissions provided by Stake on every bets placed. Both casino and sportsbook have different commission based on waggered amount of your referred person, but you'll have a higher commission on casino cause Stake has a higher house edge on casino, and if your referred person loses money, you'll make a lot of money. If you're a well-known YouTuber or influencer with a large audience, you can customize your Stake affiliate program to earn higher commissions. Want to learn how? Just comment affiliate below. And I'll create a detailed video showing you how to work with the Stake affiliate team. Now to start getting money by referral, you'll first have to start a campaign. By clicking on campaign here. Now click on create new campaign here and write a campaign name here. You can name anything. And here is your campaign ID, and make sure to copy your referral link given down below and hit create new campaign and add it on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, or you can either share it in groups also. Now if anyone creates an account from your referral link, it appear here. How many people have deposited will show here, and crypto deposit will appear as unique deposit. And your total commission will appear here. If you've learned anything from this video, make sure to hit like button. Thanks for watching till the end.